Hi everybody, for Kim and Roger, Canadian Drone Hub, unboxing of the new computer. As you can see the specs, I can't zoom any further because if I do it, the camera starts freaking out. Sorry about the noise, guys. That's the specs of the computer. Zoom back out. Can you move the box out, Raj? This is maximum. There we go. Here we have our power wire. We have miscellaneous wire, and it looks like a wireless mouse in there. Damn. Boy, they put this thing in there, didn't they? Maybe lay the box down. Oh. Keyboard. It's a keyboard. This is a wireless keyboard.
No, it's supposed to be all wired.
Or is it a wire? Oh, okay, it's a wired keyboard. It has a wire. It's a tiny little keyboard. Okay. I'll remove the box. Instruction manual. But we're males. What do we need an instruction manual for, right? What, we don't shrink wrap it? Handles to grab onto this thing. Oh my god, it weighs a ton. Ugh. There we go. CD. Looks exactly like yours, Rob.
Yep.
All your USB and stuff on here.
I think mine's a 7700. His is an 8700.
850?
No, yours is an 8700.
Oh my god, this thing weighs a ton. It's kind of like nowhere to grab this darn thing. USB ports. I'm not sure what these ones are for. This one here is blank. I don't know what that one was for. It's an HDMI thingy. Guess there's nothing there. Just a plug. Okay. Hold on there. The smell of new electronics. Windows Home. What's that? 84-bit? Or 64-bit, should say. I'm blind. You want to read this, Watch? Because I'm blind.
Okay. 8th generation Core i7 processor. Nevada Force GTX 1060, 6 gigabyte, 1 terabyte hard drive, 258 gigs gigabyte solid state drive, 1 gigabyte DDR4 memory, DVD rewrite drive, card recorder, and the other one's a 802.11ac wireless networking. There you go.
Mm. Sweet, and it smells like electronics. It smells sweet too. And got myself a wee bit of a surprise this morning. It showed up in the mail. Mr. Paul Murray didn't have to do it. He also sent a multi 11 port super speed hub. Smart charging. As you can see, you can plug in your cameras and all this and everything into this. Just press the on buttons to operate these kind of like Roger does. Paul, didn't have to do this, Paul. You've done enough, but I appreciate it. This is the unboxing for the new computer. Again, I thank everyone very, very much. I sure appreciate it, and this is something I won't forget. Thank you very much, thank you very much, Drone family. You're all the best. Season's greetings to everybody. This is an awesome Christmas present. I really appreciate it. I couldn't have done it without all your help. It goes to show that people have a beautiful heart. Love this Christmas. This is the first one. Thanks everyone, again.
Do you need it?
Do I need
Okay.
makeup? Smart ass. Again, an Acer computer from all you wonderful people. I sure appreciate this. Thank you very much. Love you all. Everybody take care. And hopefully I'll get this thing up and running very soon. Thanks again everyone. You have something to say, Roger?
Thank you everyone for helping out Kim.
Thank you, Roger.
Bye everybody.
Everybody, again, thank you very, very much. I appreciate it.